Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hopes and Dreams on Roblox piano. First, launch your favorite Roblox game that includes a functional piano. Make sure your keyboard is set up for easy input, as we'll be using many keys. Find the middle C on your virtual piano, which is often represented by the C key or a similar central note. This will be our starting point for the melody. Let's begin with the main melody, primarily for your right hand. We'll start with a simple sequence. Press F, then C, B, and A in quick succession. Follow this by repeating F, C, B, and A to complete the first phrase. Practice these 8 notes repeatedly, focusing on smooth transitions and consistent timing. This foundational part is crucial for mastering the entire song. Now, let's expand the melody and introduce some basic chords for your left hand. After playing the initial right-hand sequence, try pressing D and A simultaneously with your left hand for a simple D minor chord. Then, continue the right-hand melody with notes like F, C, B, and A. The goal is to synchronize both hands, playing the melody over the sustained chords. This adds depth and richness to the music. To master Hopes and Dreams, practice is key. Break the song into smaller, manageable sections and perfect each one individually. Once comfortable, slowly combine them, using a metronome to keep a consistent rhythm. Start at a slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase it as your proficiency grows. With dedication, you'll be playing the full song beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.